आता खबरो विस्तारान. भाजपा सरकारान देशाबरोबर मंगळारा काळो दीस पाळ्ळो. पक्षान दिल्ल्या उल्याक प्रतिसाद दीत देशाबरोबर राज्यातय काळो दीस पाळून बसका जाली. ह्या निमतान भाजपाचे राष्ट्रीय सचिव मुरलीधर राव गोंयांत हजर आशिल्ले. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीज.
And the call is given by the National Party to conduct programs today as a black day or anti-emergency day. In 1975, Congress Party under the leadership of Srimati Indira Gandhi had imposed emergency by amending the constitution and taken away the fundamental rights. Bharatiya Janata Party then it was Bharatiya Janasangh under the leadership of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Shri Lal Krishna Advani had protested and got arrested and detained and also conducted the struggle all over the country. For the restoration of democracy. In India, today the present generation should not become oblivious about this black days or dark period or the period of eclipse of democracy. So all over the country, Bharatiya Janata Party is organizing this program.